Good morning, student. Today we will discuss this topic: administrative changes introduced by Abbasid. Under Abbasid rule, Arab influence declined while the importance of Iranian culture increased. The Abbasid changed their capital from Damascus to Baghdad. The army and bureaucracy were recognized on a non-tribal basis to ensure greater participation by people of Iraq and Khorasan. The Abbasid ruler strengthened the religious status and functions of Caliphate and patronized Islamic institutions and scholars. They maintained the magnificent imperial architecture and elaborate court ceremonials of the Umayyads. Next, causes for the break of the Caliphate. In 810, a civil war broke out between supporter of Amin al-Mamun, sons of Khalifa Harun al-Rashid, which depended the fractionism and created a new power block of Turkish slave officers. A new number of minor dynasties arose, such as the Tahirids and Samanids in Khorasan and Transoxiana, and the Tulunids in Egypt and Syria. Abbasid power was soon limited to central Iraq and western Iraq. In 945, the Bayezidite clan from the Caspian region of Iran captured Baghdad. They kept the Abbasid Khalifa as the symbolic head of their Sunni subjects. The Fatimid, इसी में जो तुर्क हैं जी, तुर्क सेंट्रल एशियन से आए हैं जी, जिन्होंने अपना जो रिलीजन है वो इस्लाम में कन्वर्ट कर लिया, और वो एक स्किल्ड राइडर्स और वॉरियर्स हैं, ठीक है, जो काफ़ी अच्छे लड़ना भी जानते हैं. नेक्स्ट टॉपिक, मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक ऑफ दिस चैप्टर, द राइज ऑफ सल्तनट्स. द राइज ऑफ सल्तनट्स. The Ghaznavid Sultanate was established by Alptigin and it was consolidated by Muhammad of Ghazni. Ghaznavids were a military dynasty with a professional army of Turks and Indians. The Abbasid Caliphs were not a rival but a source of legitimacy for Ghaznavids. Muhammad of Ghazni was conscious of being the son of a slave and was specially eager to receive the title of Sultan from the Khalifa. The Khalifa was willing to support the Sunni Ghaznavid as a counterweight to Shiite power. The Seljuk Turks entered Turan as a soldier in the armies of the Samanids and Korakhanid. They later established themselves as a powerful group under the leadership of two brothers, Tughril and Chagri Beg. Taking advantages of chaos following the death of Mahmud of Ghazni, the Seljuk Turks conquered Khorasan in 1037 and made Nishapur their first capital. The Seljuk next turned their attention to western Persia and Iraq, and in 1055 restored Baghdad to Sunni rule. The Khalifa Al-Qalim conferred to Tughril Beg the title of Sultan in a move that marked the separation of religious and political authority. The two Sajid brothers ruled together in accordance with the tribal notion of rule by the family as a whole. Causes of Crusade Wars. क्रूसेड वार, एक्चुअल क्रूसेड वार का जो मीनिंग है वो होता है धर्म युद्ध, कि कोई दो धर्म, दो रिलीजन आपस में लड़ाई कर रहे हैं, उसको क्रूसेड वार का मीनिंग। यहाँ पर क्रूसेड वार ए सीरीज ऑफ रिलीजियस वॉर बिटवीन क्रिश्चियंस एंड मुस्लिम स्टार्टेड primarily to secure control of holy sites considered sacred by the both groups, कि दोनों ग्रुप जो हैं मुस्लिम और क्रिश्चियन वो अपने आप को प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए उन्होंने एक दूसरे से वॉर की। कॉजेज फॉर द क्रूसेड वॉर। जेरूसलम was conquered by the Arabs in 638, but it was ever present in the Christian imagination as the place of Jesus. Christians wanted to recover Jerusalem, and this was an important factor for Crusade wars. Normans, Hungarians and slaves had been converted to Christian, and Muslim alone remained as the main enemy of Christian. Next, third causes. There was also a change in the social and economic organization of Western Europe in the 11th century, which contributed to the hostility between Christian and the Islamic world. Christians established political stability through economic growth based on agriculture and trade, but Muslims tried to same through violence and plunder. Fourth cause, the death of Malik Shah in 1092 was followed by the disintegration of his empire. This offered the Byzantine Empire, Alexius I, and a chance to regain journalism, Asia Minor and Northern Syria. Fifth cause, for Pope Urban II, this was an opportunity to revive the spirit of Christianity. In 1095, the Pope joined the Byzantine Empire in calling for a war in the name of God, liberate the Holy Land. Next topic we will discuss in next video. Thank you.